Hello.
Hi. What's your name?
Ravil.
What?
Ravil.
Rakib. Where are you from?
I'm from Russia.
Russia. What is your problem?
I have problem in here,
Like a cervical.
my spina.
Okay, it's a pain. How long since?
Huh?
How long since?
Maybe 3 years.
3 years back. Okay. Any type of injury? Like any type of trauma? Like an injury?
Any problem and think, and after here, problem in my share.
How will you take the treatment here? Like today is second sitting, na?
What?
Like today is your second sitting, na? Second treatment, na?
Today second.
Second day, na?
Today I come here second day.
How are you feeling now after one sitting?
How
How are you feeling now?
feeling today? Feel like good.
Okay. Are you feeling better now?
I have, I think, very good.
Okay. Hi guys. This is my patient coming from Russia. He is suffering from like a cervical pain and lumbar pain.
To me,
2, 3, 4, 5,
yes.
6.
2 free and 2 free.
Yeah. Problem is here. Like 6.
4 have small.
Like a little bit different. Due to degeneration. This is your X-ray plate. We can see now. It's here. L5 as well. Space decrease. We can see now. Like the problem is cervical and lumbar.
No, left.
Little bit problem here. Just like a first metatarsal.
Sorry, I have here.
Yeah, little bit pain here.
Here.
First.
Left.
Thumb and-
Left.
Okay, just wait. Like a C7 and C4 also. C4 and C7. More than compression here. Keep it up loose. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. One more. Out. That is for CT junction. Yeah. Both sides. Okay. Just manipulation for thoracic spine. Like a 5, 6, 7. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. One more. Breathe out. One side turn. Elbows lock. Elbows lock this time. Keep it up loose. Loose your body. Huh? Neck down. Neck down. Neck down. Relax. Take a deep breath. Adjustment for L5, L4. Just wait. Just wait. Take a deep breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Put it loose. One more. Okay. More stiffness on neck. Like a so stiff here and here also. This your muscles. So I do the manipulation. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. One more. Again, take a deep breath. Okay. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Put up loose. 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 Put up loose. 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 Little bit extension, rotation, and extension. One more. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Like extension. Okay ना?
Okay. C5 को compress करते कैसे?
As your hand. Now. Just walk for 2 minutes.
Huh?
Just walk for 2 minutes. Turn your back. How are you feeling now after adjustment? How are you feeling now?
No,
Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Please feel it. Just try your best just for SSI. Just wait for 1 minute. How are you feeling now, sir, after adjustment?
super.
Super.
Very good. Very good.
Okay, thank you. Can I upload this video on my YouTube channel?
Yes, okay.
Okay, no? Okay. Bye. Take care.
Bye.